how to customize Siri Voices in iOS 26. If you want to change the voice Siri uses on your iPhone, here's how to do it. First, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Siri. Now tap Voice. Here, you'll see the available varieties and voices for Siri. Choose the variety you want, then select the Siri voice you prefer. Your iPhone may need to download the selected voice, so keep your device connected to Wi-Fi if necessary. You can also change the language Siri uses. Go back to the Siri settings and tap Language. Select the language you want Siri to use for your requests and responses. Next, tap Siri Responses. Here, you can choose how Siri responds to you, including whether Siri provides spoken responses. You can also turn on Always Show Siri Captions if you want Siri's responses to appear as text on the screen. If you want Siri to wait longer before responding to your voice, go to Settings, tap Accessibility, then Siri, and adjust Siri pause time. Once you've finished making your changes, just leave the Settings app. Your Siri preferences will be saved automatically. And that's it. This is how you can customize Siri's voice, language, and response settings in iOS 26. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the